This is the second video in the sequel of binary numbers, and now in this video we are to convert the fractional binary numbers into a fractional decimal system. So in this context, first of all, we understand like this. Suppose that a number is written in this way: one decimal two one. Sorry, rather I should write here zero because there are only two digits in binary numbers. Those are called bits, binary digits. Okay, so suppose that these are written in this way, then then this dot, this dot is usually we read to that one as decimal, and we feel that this is a decimal of decimal system. No, not at all. Here, this dot is representing a decimal part, fractional part in the binary system. So usually we say to this one as fractional part in place of decimal part. Okay, but usually we say to that one a decimal part also. So now we want to understand how we can convert to these. Okay, so in this context we are having an algorithm, and it is very simple, very similar to the decimal system. Suppose that we are having a number like this 513 in decimal system. Then we can write to this the leftmost digit of the fractional part. We write to this one as 5 into 1 by 10. That means we multiply this one by 1 by 10, and we add to the product of 1 and 1 by 100. That means this number is supposed to be multiplied by 1 by 100. That means 10 square. And now this the third number is to be multiplied and added to these two results, sum of these two, by, after multiplying this 3 by 1 by 10 cube, that means 1000. So we can get the result in this manner, and this is the algorithm for binary numbers also. If a fractional part of binary number is to be converted into decimal system, we do the same thing, but in place of 10 we write there 2. So the first number, that means the leftmost number, leftmost digit, maybe 0 or maybe 1 in binary digits. We are having only two binary digits, so in binary number we will get only 0 or 1. So the leftmost fractional digit will be multiplied by 1 by 2, and the number, that is the digit that is right to this one, is to be multiplied by 1 by 2 square in place of 10 square, and the digit that is just after that one in the right is to be multiplied by 1 by 2 to the power 3 in place of 10 to the power 3. Just we did it in the decimal system, and the same activity is to be done in the process of conversion of binary fraction into decimal fraction, but by taking in place of 10 2. So we could understand the algorithm of the conversion of binary fraction to decimal fraction as this. The first digit, suppose that we are having 112, sorry, I again missed that one, 1101. This binary number, if is in fraction, then we want to convert this one. If we want to convert it into a decimal system, we should multiply to this one by 1 by 2. That means we can multiply to this one by 0.5, because 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. So you can also say that it is to be multiplied by 0.5 or 1 by 2, and this one is supposed to multiply, then the digit that is just right to the leftmost digit is to be multiplied by 1 by 2 square. So to this one we can also write that we are to multiply by this by 0.5 into 0.5, because 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5, and the square of that one will be 0.25. So you can in place of multiplying 1 by 4, 1 by 2 square, you can multiply by 0.25 to get the result very quickly. And to this one we can multiply by 1 by 2 cube, or you can say zero point 0.5 cube, that means 0.125. To this digit we are supposed to multiply by 1 by 2 to the power 4, or you can say we can multiply by 0.5 to the power 4, that means 0.00625. So in this manner, in this process, in this way, in this manner, we can get the place values of these digits, these binary digits, these bits, and after that one we will add them to know the conversion of this binary fraction into decimal fraction. For that one we are picking some examples. Suppose that we are having examples like this. So convert the following to the decimal system. We are taking some examples for that one. We are taking some example for that one. Okay. So the first fractional 1011 bandit number is this, and we want to convert it into decimal number. Just I told you that this one is supposed to be multiplied by 0.5 or 1 by 2. I am multiplying by 0.5, and to this 0 we are supposed to multiply by 1 by 4, that means 0.25, and to this one we are supposed to multiply, we are to we are supposed to multiply by 2 cube, that means 1 by 8, to which we can write cube of zero point 0.5, that means 0.125. And finally to this one we are supposed to multiply by 1 by 2 to the power 4, that means 1 by 16. But to this one we can write 0.5 to the power 4, zero point 0.5 to the power 4, and that is equal to 0.0625. So after multiplying them we add to them, so that we can find the fractional digits in decimal system. So add them 5, so it will be 5. 2 plus 5 7, 7. 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 5 13. So right here 1, so 1 plus 1 2, plus 2 4, plus 5 9. So it will be equal to 0.9375. We should check it. 5, the fourth digit, 5 7 8 plus 5 13, carry 1. So 1 2 plus 2 4. So it will be 4 in place of 9. Sorry, yeah, here we are having. So this is the correct. So we got the decimal conversion of this binary number, this binary fractional part. So now if we want to convert the second one, I am taking another sheet. So if we take this example 0 0 1 1 2, so in the process of conversion this 0 is supposed to be multiplied by 0 0.5, and we know that 0 if is multiplied by 0 0.5 it will give 0. Similarly, if 0 is supposed to be multiplied by 0.25, but we know that the product will be equal to 0, so simply write 0, and this one is supposed to be multiplied by 0.1, 0.125, that means 1 by 8. So we can write to this one as 0.125, and to this one we are supposed to multiply by 1 by 16, or 0.0625. So multiply to this one by 0.0, 0625, and now add them to get the value. Sometimes you will feel little bit difficulty in the addition part because they are having different number of digits after the decimal system decimal. So be conscious about that, be very careful. This is the fourth digit and there is no fourth digit, so simply this will be 5. And this is the third digit after the decimal part, and this one is also, so 5 plus 2 is 7. This is the second digit after the decimal part, and here we are having 2, so these two are added together to get 8. And this one, this is the digit just after the decimal, that is 0, and this one is 1. If they are added together, then we will get 0, and so we got this number in the decimal system. So this binary fraction part is now converted into decimal, and that is equal to 0.1875. Okay, and now the third one can also be taken to be conversion, 0.0111 of binary number. Okay, again for conversion purpose we will multiply to 0.5, it will give us 0, and to this one we will multiply by 0.25, so simply write 0.25, and to this one we are supposed to multiply to this one by 0.125, 0.5 cube, that is 0.25. Simply you can write here 0.125, and finally this one is also is to be multiplied by 0.5 to the power 4, that means 0.0625, and now add them to know the number. This is the fourth digit after the decimal, and there is nothing, no one digit in these numbers at this place, so simply 5. 2 in the third place, 5 plus 2 7. In the second place we are having 6, 2 8, 5 13, and now carry over 1 1 2 and 2, that is 4, so we got 0.4375 in the decimal system. So in this way we can convert the fractional part into the decimal fractional binary into the decimal fractional decimal, and hopefully you could understand. And now in the third video we are going to discuss about the mixed binary numbers conversion into decimal number. Okay. Link of the PDF is in the description box, so you go through to have the link and get the PDF of this lecture. Okay.